Hey YouTube, hey Jonas, Billy here. We're back again. We are doing the second part of the old school pack opening. This is the EX SANDSTORM. First one we opened was the EX Ruby Sapphire. Awesome pulls. Click back on the other video to see that one. We're gonna go right into the SANDSTORM. I'm gonna try to open that very carefully. Oh, nice. Here we go. Oh no, not all the way open. There we go. There's more pack art. Alright. First card is a Dunsparce. I'm loving the art on these cards. A Wingull. Next card is an Almanite. Next we have a Zigzagoon. That's really cool. Next card is an Eevee. Ooh, next card an Azurill. Wow. Next we have an Electabuzz. Very cool. And the last card is a Meryl reverse holo. Oh, we have one more card actually. Oh, these reverse holos are so much cooler, I think, than the newer ones. And the last one's a Vaporeon. Let's see if we can get the first one. This was our first pull. Electabike and a Meryl. Wow, those are just bouncing off that light. Beautiful pulls. Thanks you guys for watching. We appreciate it. Let's get some card or pack art in there. And we'll see you guys next time.